Every single card na nakikita nyo ngayon was designed by a different artist. Suma total, there are a total of 55 artists ang nag-collaborate para magawa tong deck na to. Ang special sa deck na to, meron siya kasamang companion app that uses the AR technology na kapag ni-scan mo yung card, nagkakaroon siya ng animation. Quick note lang, only selected cards yung may AR effect. And here are some of the animations. Pero ang favorite ko na card is the Four of Clubs by Brosmine. Ang tawag pala sa deck na to is Playing Art 0 by Playing Arts. Yun lang.